Saudi Arabia has temporarily suspended Umrah business and family visit visas for citizens of 14 countries: India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Egypt, Turkey, Iran, Yemen, Sudan, Iraq, Syria, Afghanistan, Nigeria, and Ethiopia. This suspension will remain in effect until mid-June 2025. The move aims to stop individuals from using non-Hajj visas such as Umrah or tourists to perform Hajj unofficially. Such practices disrupt Saudi Arabia's country-wise quota system, causing overcrowding and logistical challenges. During Hajj 2024, more than 1,200 pilgrims lost their lives due to extreme heat and overcrowding, many of whom were unauthorized pilgrims who overstayed or misused other visas. The new rules seek to prevent similar tragedies this year. Those who already possess valid Umrah visas can enter Saudi Arabia until April 13, 2025. After this date, no new Umrah, business, or family visit visas will be issued to citizens of the 14 listed countries until the end of the Hajj season. Saudi authorities clarified that the suspension is not politically motivated but a preventive and safety measure. The goal is to enforce visa regulations and safeguard public health and safety during the pilgrimage season. Anyone violating the rules may face fines and a 5-year ban from entering Saudi Arabia.